Fáilte Rash, welcome back to another Irish for Parents mini lesson. August, on Shafton Shaw, this week we're going to look at how to say go to sleep os Gaeilge. So one that you can use literally got law every day, le the fáistí with your kids. So go to sleep os Gaeilge is te a chola. Te a chola. Te a chola. So the phonetics are quite easy here too. Te a chola. Now you can check this in obair.ie to hear it in different dialects if you want to hear what that sounds like in Ulster Connacht or Munster specifically. But that's the standard Irish and probably what you would have learned at school as well. And then to more than one child, because if you have two children, you will have to say teigi a chola. Teigi a chola. So teigi is the order for more than one. Teigi. Teigi a chola, go to sleep, to more than one child. Agus sinné tá sé chomhéasca sin, it's that easy. If you would love Irish like this, just simple Irish that you can use gach law every day, le the fáistí with your kids, then you can check out our Gaeilge guides for parents because they're made for busy parents. They just give you lots and lots of phrases like this, but they give you everything that you would need throughout a day because passing on the language to the kids has unbelievable benefits for them. Thank you for watching this a short video. Don't forget, make sure that you are subscribed down below so you can get the free workbooks every week as well. August long go full. Bye for now.